Hi, this is Bhavna and you're watching India Today. Well, Jalal means someone who represents dignity and honor, and there's no better person than Farida Jalal to sort of honor that name in itself. And here, she joins me only on India Today after several years, I believe. Firstly, thank you so much for doing this, Farida ji. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine and more than welcome. There's no need of a big thank you and all that. It's part and parcel of our game, and I love doing this with pretty girls like you.
अरे बस
भावना।
हो गया इंटरव्यू अभी आपसे तारीफ सुन ली मैंने.
You know, I love Mr. Crosses. आज की जनरेशन और आपसे बातें करना तो बहुत कुछ अच्छा लगता है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
But you know, I mean, contrary to this, you have always kept yourself very protected. You don't give too many interviews. Even when you were like at your prime, you have not done too many interviews. Why?
No, I draw my lines and I feel that this is going to go somewhere I don't want to go. Then I refrain, of course.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm very happy talking to you, beta. And I would love to speak my heart out. I have so much to say.
Absolutely, the years of experience.
Absolutely, so many years of experience, so many.
True. I have to firstly start with Hira Mandi because there are two things which really, like, everyone I think was smiling from their heart. One is when they saw you at the premiere, because that was like your public appearance after years. We don't remember the last time that kind of a appearance you made. One, second, just watching you on screen play Qudsiya Begum, bring that vulnerability and calmness to the show completely with your character. I think that was amazing. I know you have been getting a lot of overwhelming response yourself, but tell me, how did it all happen? Let's start with that first.
Well, out of the blue, there was this call, and actors like me wait for such calls. And Shruti ji called me. She does his casting. Very, very sweet girl, and talked to me about this. And I was like, I said, is it really the Sanjay, Leela, Bansali? I've been waiting for years. As I told him when I met him, the little tick of my bucket list, and always had this, when will he call me for a role? And it's happened today. When I met him, I told him this, and he was so good. He spoke to me with such a lot of love and respect, which I will always treasure. Like, being on that set is something else, beta. And his team of work, they're all girls.
Yeah.
So I used to feel, I mean, when we started out, we had to look out for a girl on the set. There would be just nobody. The dress man was a male, the makeup man was a male, the costume, the assistants, of course, all of them.
Yeah.
Only boys and men all around the set. All of them. Now it's the opposite.
Yeah.
It's these young girls full of beans. I'm so proud of my species. I'm so proud. And I wish them all the luck in the world. And they're so enthused. They're so like, they're all over you. And this project was donning her, making me up, looking like the Nawabzadi that I was portraying. And the jewelry I am supposed to wear. Then there's somebody who's called the draper. She's waiting to drape your dupatta for you. I mean, hello. This is a different planet altogether, okay? And then, of course, all that while reminding yourself, this is Sanjay sir's project, and it's part and parcel of this, and this has to happen.
Yeah.
He's always had his cinemas like something else.
Yeah.
So the jewelry and the makeup and then he has a look test, huh?
You gave a look test.
Yes. I have to go all the way. So there's a little part of in his office where cramped with people, of course, and where this very senior makeup artist was there to do the look test, and he made me. You've seen the wig. It's a kind of a curly. They had to do the curls. The setting of the wig is such a big task for them, but they did it very well. And one little wave of white hair. It's so different from what I do. I just have center parting, and I just have a chota sa bun and a juda and thoda sa safed baal, and that's it. It's so different. In fact, when you wear this, you get into the character somehow. It does help, let me tell you. It does help. If it's something different from the thing, it does help to get you into that, you know.
Yeah. I read that the brief that he had given to you also included certain things which you were not comfortable with.
Oh, you know about it? Hello?
Yeah, I read your interview.
I thought whether I should say this in Nadia. No, the opening thing was, Sanjay sir said to me, the opening scene, your first shot, your introduction is this great Nawab's, she's the grandmother of the hero of the series. And she's got this party going, and Nawabzadi is like her. are sitting, all her friends are all around her, and you have a glass of wine in a hand and a cigarette in the other. So I gulped like this and I said, hello, sir. He said it and he's looking at my face. I thought he senses everything,
Yeah.
huh? Oversensitive, that just like me. So he just looked at me and I said, sir, after a while I said, sir, I've never gone there. I won't know even how to hold a cigarette. You want me to look false and, you know,
Yeah.
because I love everything very natural, very good. I'm always been there.
Yeah.
So I said, and he also. So I said, you want me to, I won't know, I would be pretty uncomfortable. So he didn't say a word.
Yeah.
And we talked of other things and this and that and dates and that. And he talked about money. I said, money is not important. He said, money is very important. My God. I said, no, sir, not here. I've come with all my heart and I want to do this, no matter this way or that. So then, of course, mashallah, we did it by the grace of God. And he didn't even mention it again on the sets.
He just very naturally.
This very big high for an actor, that he could do away with that, but not do away with me. He chose me above other things. That is a very big high. That will remain in my memory for life. And I thank him with all my heart. He didn't touch that ever again.
But you know, I mean, he also knew, he is a legend in himself. He knows what he wants.
Of course.
And he knew, the fact that he came to you, he knew you are the one for that role. So he
I
had
hope so.
to, I mean, come on.
That's
So-
really very heartening, very encouraging, and I give him a big God bless for that. Yeah.
But you know, there are always these legends and like, especially with Bhansali sir, people hear a lot about what it is like to be on his set.
Perfection
And
pasand aadmi. Yeah, perfection
tell
pasand.
me, because you have worked with the who's and who when it comes to directors, now him as well, but was there anything in specific that you were sort of like enamored or taken aback or learnt? Because cinema has changed, a lot has changed in the way how you operate on set in today's time.
Of course, yes.
You were surrounded by actors who are like new age actors and most. Just what was that feeling like? What did you learn in that?
It's always a learning process. No matter how many films you do, and you feel you have all the experience in the world, but no, each day you learn a little more. And of course, I learned a lot on his sets as well. And he being on the set is something. It's magic. Then while we are doing a scene, while I'm rehearsing with a serious shot of the Eid wala scene, in which everything is exposed, that she is Malka Jan's daughter, and she walks in with and we're doing that scene, getting into that. He comes from behind and he says, you know, I'm thinking of Darya Kinare Ek Bungalow. You know the song I did in Sabse Bada Rupaiya when I was a young girl, before I got married also. I mean, those days. Darya Kinare Ek Bungalow Gopuri Jai Jo Jai.
Yeah.
And I was like, zapped. I was like shocked. I was like, I couldn't react. He's naughty also, Mr. Bhansali.
I can't imagine.
Imagine. And he just walked and I'm looking at him and he went back to his monitor and sat there and he said something so out of, I mean, it was really something really shocking and I loved it that he's watched me in that also. I was so happy that he's watched
Imagine
that.
after saying that to
Yeah.
you, he expects you to deliver that like very serious.
Yeah. And then of course I will know because Moin Beg, we call him Munnu, he's a very close friend. He's Sairabi's relative, so we are really very, very close. And I'm so happy that he used to tell me about his Hira Mandi time and again when he used to meet at Sairabi's. Hira Mandi. And imagine me being a part of it eventually. It was so good, so nice. So he was on the sets, and after I did those shots with emotion and all of that, and he said, he's so happy, Farida, he's so happy. I said, it was so encouraging, so good to hear from the horse's mouth. I mean, if he says a word of praise for an actor, it's a big high.
Hira Mandi 2 का जो announcement हुआ है, of course, and I would love to know if you are also coming back in that, because कुद्सिया बेगम का हमको ज़्यादा पता नहीं है कि first season में अंत क्या हुआ है वहाँ पे, because for us she's ailing and she's still like recuperating, right? What is happening?
See that scene which we did on the bed. I am not very well. I'm not taking my medicines.
Yeah.
Is what she hears, and she comes to see me, and I say, Alim Zeeb, I'm so happy that you've come, and वो अंगूठी दे दीजिए. Remember? In which I say, अंगूठी ये हमारी पुश्तैनी अंगूठी, and I thought कि निकाह के बाद दूंगी कि, but good that you have come. ये आपकी हुई.
Correct.
I say this line to her.
हाँ.
She says, आप कहीं नहीं जा रही हैं कुदसिया बेगम, आपको कुदसिया बुलाने वाला फिर आ रहा है.
हाँ.
And I'm very happy and emotional when she tells me
Yeah.
that she's carrying his baby. That's where they entered the scene. Huh?
Yeah.
And I'm crying and I'm kissing her on the head. I'm so happy to see that I have another Tajdar coming. And this end of the scene was not that. That I kiss her on the forehead and
Oh.
no, it was not that. Why did they cut that? The end of the scene is, दीजिए मुझे, and that my poor girl says, क्या दूँ? मेरी दवाइयाँ? That means she wants to live.
Correct.
But I'm not taking for many days, and people are going up, like ये दवाइयाँ नहीं खा रही है ये. मेरी दवाइयाँ, they cut that. Why did they cut that? Why? I want to know why. Because if they feel they need to keep me alive, that was the shot.
Yeah.
I have to tell the people that she will live now. She doesn't want to die because her Tajdar is coming back. But they didn't cut that. They didn't keep that scene. They just cut the shot when I'm kissing her forehead and say, I'm so happy that you're carrying my
Correct.
Tajdar's baby.
Did you have a word with Bhansali sir about
No,
this?
no.
perhaps?
Why should I? That's his call.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah, makes sense.
But
I mean,
maybe
yeah.
it makes sense because that was what meant that I will live.
मैंने आलमगीर की बात की है, तो एक सवाल आपसे जरूर पूछूंगी. Sharmin is getting a lot of
I know.
mixed
I'm
reactions,
not
I
happy
would
about
say.
this. Yeah, people should be kind. But उसकी जो capacity है, वो जो actor है, जो वो करे, she did her best. अच्छा, I don't think that the character needed to be very boisterous and loud. ऐसे तो नहीं था ना उसका role. ऐसा तो नहीं था ना. What were you expecting? हाँ, what you thought you needed to see, you didn't see.
Perhaps, yeah.
Okay. Why should we be rude to the girl?
For everyone who is doing that, clearly this is the
Very
message.
rude.
Be kind.
Be kind.
Uh,
Because that maybe her capacity is just that much. And I don't think the real role regarded her to be very boisterous and very. It wasn't. She's a shaira. She falls in love with my bacha. And that's it.